Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name's Leticia, and today I'm going to walk you through on how to use Grammarly for free on your computer. So once you create a Grammarly account at grammarly.com and you log in, this is what your account will look like. As you can see right now, we're on the My Grammarly tab. As you can see right here, it has a record of everything that I've ever copy pasted into Grammarly. So there's different ways that you can use Grammarly besides copy and pasting it in right here. So as you can see right here, it says upload. You can upload any text document in here and it'll, automatically populate the content for you and do your grammar check. So, but for me, I prefer the copy paste method because I use Google Docs a lot and I don't like how Grammarly looks in there. So I want to show you real quick how to do that with copy paste. So you can click on new. You're going to have your piece of content. You want to make sure that you have a title so you know what it is. You're going to plop it in here. I'm going to put and then I'm going to select all here. We're going to copy and paste it. In here, it will pop this little screen up where it says set goals. So you can adjust the goals based on your writing style and who you're writing for. So just go through it and update it as you want. For me, I just have it as really basic goals, nothing too crazy. And then I'm going to click done. And then once Grammarly checks your content, it will give you a score, which is up here in the right corner. I got a 95. It'll tell me what it is that I need to improve on. The clarity, it's very clear. The engagement is good. The delivery is good as well. So I'm going to click on here on what it is that it suggested for me to change. And then we can see what happens when it's done. So I'm using the free account. There is a premium account. There's a business account that you do have to pay for. So if you are writing a lot, I would recommend for you to get the paid version because it checks for plagiarism, as you can see down here, and you can get expert help from a writing professional and a human reader, because with the free version, it's just the software that's going through it. So it may miss things. It's not 100% accurate. So I will tell you that it is not 100% accurate, but it is pretty darn close. So as you can see, my score went up to a 99, so that's pretty good. I wanted to show you something here. So on this hamburger menu, you click menu, so you can, as you can see, you can go to add another document, you can upload a file, you can download this, you can print from here as well. So I just wanted to show you what is in the menu. Another thing is you can get a Chrome extension. I have the Google Chrome one. I downloaded it. So wherever there is text, when you're browsing the internet, Grammarly will check your grammar. So for example, right here, I'm going to write an email. And as you can see, there's a little green dot. That's for Grammarly. Please, and I'm going to keep writing here. Anything else you need from me? And as you can see, as I start typing, the green turns to this red dot, and you see it kind of thinking, and now it shows that I have one error. So whatever is underlined in red means there's an issue. And then we can open it in here and see what it was. And then I'll change it for you. It says terrific work. Usually when you get 100% and a check mark, that means that you're good. Another thing that I want to show you is that it also works when you're on social media. So I'm going to go into my Facebook account and write a post. And as again, you can see the green circle here. Is everyone up to? Did you watch the latest Bachelorette episode? Well, I purposely didn't write everything correctly, just so you can see what happens. And then you can click on here, it says 2 critical suggestions, and then you just click on it, on the suggestions, and it'll update it for you. So that is the best way that you can utilize using Grammarly. I hope that this was helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I will do more tech tutorials to help make your life easier. So please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Where are you tuning in from? I love to know where you are at in the world, and I will catch you next week. Have a great day. Bye.